Okay, now let's repeat one more time. What's this? It's a shark or 3 or more sharks. Yes. What's this? 2 crabs. This, it's a turtle. These are 2 turtles. What's this? It's an eel, or there are 2 eels. What's this? It's an octopus, 2 octopuses. What's here? There are 3 seahorses. What do we have here? We have 2 starfish. What do we have here? 2 dolphins. Then there are 2 whales. Here we have a walrus and 2 fish. There are 2 seals here and 2 fish, and there's a dolphin. Yes? Now, you do this. This is a shark. This crab. This turtle. Then an eel. Then octopus. Then we have seahorse, starfish, dolphin, a whale, a walrus, a seal, and a dolphin and 2 fish. Yeah? Okay. Now let's do it this way. I'm just going to quickly show you something and you tell it to yourself at home what you have seen, okay? Na hitrico vam pokažem slikco, vi pa doma na hitro pred računalnikom odgovorite, kaj je to. Okay. Yeah. I hope you can see this. Okay. Hopefully you have done the task without any bigger problems. Okay, and we still have some stuff to do in your course books. Okay, I'm going to tell you a few sentences and you decide if these sentences are true or false. Okay, you're going to take a look at this picture and the animals that are here and say true or false. Yeah? Just orally. Samo pač poslušajte, ko bom jaz sestavila nekaj stavkov, vi pa samo povejte, a so pravilni ali so nepravilni, true or false, glede na to slikco. Okay? So here we go. There are 2 sharks in the picture. Yes, they are. Okay, here. There are 3 dolphins in the picture. No, because we have 2. There are 3 turtles in the picture. 1, 2, 3. So yes, true. There are 5 crabs in the picture. False, because we have 2 only. There are 4 octopuses in the picture. False, because we only have 2. There are 2 eels in the picture. Yes, true. There are 4 starfish in the picture. False, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. There are 4 seahorses in the picture. True. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's it. How do we call this? Maybe, if anyone knows this. That's seaweed. And some rocks. Yeah. And a ship. Yeah. Okay. For your homework, write down, let's say, there's an ant, see? Write down 4 sentences about these animals, okay? Start a sentence. There are 2 sharks in the picture. Or you can say, in this picture, there are 2 dolphins. Okay, you can also use the negative form, like you can say, there aren't 6 seahorses. Okay, se pravi, za domačo nalogo 4 stavki. 4 stavke napišite lahko v trdilni obliki, lahko tudi unikali. Bye bye!